We are here on the Carnival of Mardi Gras. So as you can see, mother and son over there doing some golfing. Right here is the playground. See some folks over there doing their stuff. It's kind of nice and relaxed. People are off the boat, just finished having breakfast. Is one of the yachts that's going. Now that noise you're hearing right there, that means that bucket is about to be filled and it is going to tumble over any second. Normally there's a bunch of kids that's over there and the grown ones will be enjoying that. Boom! Yeah. Showers of blessing. Walking down to Bolt. This is as empty as you're going to see it. This break can give the crew an opportunity to clean up. So this is Bolt right there. That's what it looks like. And then this is the weight and height limits. If you're too short, nope. If you're too wide, nope. You can access the restroom from here. As you can see over there, the hurricane damaged a few of those properties. Those houses used to look nice. I'm hoping they're going to rebuild them. Allegedly, Sharon Stone owned one of those properties over there. Don't know how true it is. Allegedly. We will do a little bit of basketball. They're out there doing their basketball. Boys will be boys.